Hello everyone, and welcome back to BRAZOS Awareness. Today, we're going to talk about something that affects all of us, the cleanliness of our toilets and washrooms. Did you know that unhygienic toilets can be a breeding ground for numerous diseases and infections? Unclean toilets can harbor harmful bacteria, viruses, and parasites, leading to a range of health issues. Let's take a closer look at some of the most common diseases and infections caused by unhygienic toilets. First, we have urinary tract infections, or UTIs. These are often caused by bacteria such as E. coli, which can thrive in dirty bathrooms. Symptoms include a strong urge to urinate, a burning sensation while urinating, and cloudy or strong-smelling urine. Next, there's bacterial infections. Unhygienic toilets can spread bacteria like Salmonella and Shigella, leading to severe gastrointestinal issues. Symptoms can include stomach cramps, diarrhea, and vomiting. Parasitic infections, such as those caused by Giardia and Cryptosporidium, can also be transmitted through contaminated surfaces. These infections can cause prolonged diarrhea, dehydration, and stomach pain. Now, the good news is that by maintaining a clean toilet, you can minimize the risk of these infections. Regular cleaning with effective products is key. One such product that can help you keep your toilets and washrooms germ-free is BRAZOS. BRAZOS is specially formulated to eliminate bacteria and germs from your toilets and washrooms. With regular use, you can ensure a hygienic environment, protecting yourself and your family from harmful infections. Using BRAZOS is simple. Just apply it to the toilet bowl, let it sit for a few minutes, and scrub away the dirt and grime. For other surfaces, spray and wipe down to keep everything sparkling clean. By keeping your toilets clean with products like BRAZOS, you're not just maintaining hygiene, but also promoting health and well-being. So make it a habit to clean your toilets regularly and stay safe from infections. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Sunanda's Academy for more informative content. Stay clean and stay healthy.